Hey guys, I'm about to do the biggest glue up I've ever done, and I want to show you how the Feldthouse Clamp-Saddle Jigs are going to help me approach this glue up in my uneven and limited shop space. A big issue that can arise when you're doing large panel style glue ups is if there's any twist, warp, or bow in your assembly table, that can translate into your workpiece. If that twist gets translated into your workpiece, that could potentially cost you your target thickness after you flatten your slab. So with the Feldthouse Clamp-Saddle Jigs, I have a leveling feature that allows me to perfectly level out all of my clamps inside of a plane so that way when I do put my workpieces onto my clamps, they're perfectly flat and level for my glue up, eliminating any possibility for twisting and bowing in my workpiece. Now my workstation is perfectly flat and level and ready for my glue up. Wow, you guys, there it is. The largest glue up I've ever done. This is a 3 foot by 5 foot by 3.5 inch custom island end grain butcher block top. It is absolutely massive, and I can't stress how much the Clamp-Saddle Jigs helped me approach this accurately and confidently, and also well within the 15-minute open workface parameter of the Type Bond 3 wood glue. It's truly amazing how much a small tool can make a huge difference.